Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this one I'll show you how to add a second language or have two languages on your Wix websites. So pretty much what does this mean, have two languages? So you guys know probably that when you go to a certain website you have this little button, no matter where it is, maybe on the top right or something, or maybe at the very bottom, that actually allows you to change the website language. So say for example the native language of the website is English, but you're from Spain and you want Spanish, so you just scroll down for a bit and somewhere here in the bottom you find a button or a drop down that lets you to change the language. So pretty much, let me actually show you. So I'll open incognito and I'll type in Wix.com. So we should have a language here. There you go, this is the button. And as you can see, let's say for example I want to switch to Deutsch, right? German language. So as you can see now, this is pretty much what I'm talking about. So this, you can do exactly this on your website as well. So going back, guys, it's pretty simple. You just need to go to your apps. And in the app market, just in search for the apps in this search menu, type in Wix multilingual. Like this. As you can see, translate your site and boost your traffic. Click on this. Alright, so this is exactly what we need, guys. So pretty much what this will allow us, you can add, as you can see, up to 180 languages, but of course no one will add so many on the website. You will have, I don't know, maybe like 10 languages. So in this one I will just show you how to add one more language, and pretty much just click on add to sites, and this will add this application to your website environment. As you can see, it's adding now. Okay, great. And now guys, the way to customize this, you actually need to go to your website dashboard. So it's not done in the website editor. So in order to go there, hover your mouse over the Wix logo and press on go to dashboard. So this basically dashboard allows us to view all of our settings, all of our crucial settings to our website, and just press on website content and go to multilingual. This is the application that we have just installed. So as you can see, translate your site and expand to new markets, etc. Start now. Okay, so now it will detect our website's original language. So as you can see, English is the main language of my website. So yes, this is going to be original. And now the first thing that it tells you and asks you to do is to select the flag to represent English on your website. So of course, English originates from England, but we also have, for example, Australian English, American English, etc. So if you want to set, for example, American flag, that's fine because it's the native language of the US. But in my case, I will just choose the flag of England. There you go, United Kingdom. And basically, as you can see, this is what it will look like. So the language, English, and the flag next to it. So this is going to be the original languages flag. Select the flag, confirm. Okay, and from here, as you can see, we can add a new language. So press on add new. And as you can see, it's very simple, just language and a flag. So let's say we want, let me just choose a language, Dutch. All right, so this is going to be Netherlands, and choose Netherlands flag like that. And as you can see, you can now choose how you want to start translating. It's either going to be manual, which is going to be more accurate, or you want to choose machine translation. As you can see, this is going to be automatic. So all of our buttons, text, and let me go back to the website. So all of this stuff will be translated automatically. This is a very easy method, but if you want to go more accurate and make sure that everything is correctly translated, I suggest manual. But in my case, I will just use machine translation. And yes, make it visible right away. So make Dutch visible right away on the website. Add language. Okay, so it's going to translate the words. As you can see, we have 2,517 words to translate. All right, and pretty much after this, the language will be translated and everything will be added to your website. And you will be able to switch the language on your website on the live version of it. So that's pretty much how this is done. As you can see, it's already visible. Enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.